What is the biggest gap you are seeing between a property's purchase price and its potential after repair value? If you are considering a renovation, fix and flip, or value add investment, I can help you evaluate both the property and the financing before you make an offer. I'm David Kowal, lender and realtor, and today we are talking about 3 words that can stop a real estate investment in its tracks, subject to appraisal. Imagine a distressed property in a strong neighborhood. The purchase price is $500,000. The renovation budget is approximately $100,000. And the projected after repair value is $750,000. On paper, that looks like a substantial value add opportunity. But financing may be evaluated primarily on the property's current condition and current appraised value. The appraiser sees the property as it exists today. Your renovation plan, contractor relationships, timeline, and intended improvements may receive limited consideration. The result is a lower than expected appraisal, less available financing, a larger cash contribution, and a project that becomes harder to execute. Traditional mortgage financing is generally designed for properties already in financeable condition. It works well for stabilized homes and conventional investments. But a heavy renovation is different. A conventional appraisal asks, what is this property worth today? A value add investor asks, what can it reasonably be worth after improvements? Asset-based private credit may evaluate the project differently, considering the purchase price, renovation budget, current value, projected ARV, borrower experience, and project plan. The lender is still evaluating risk. There may still be an appraisal, valuation report, feasibility review, or inspection, but the completed project and execution capability may receive more emphasis. In our example, a traditional lender may focus heavily on current appraised value. An asset-based lender may evaluate the purchase price together with a percentage of the projected ARV. The exact terms vary by lender, property, borrower experience, and risk profile. Limits may be based on loan to cost, loan to value, or loan to ARV. But ARV is not simply the number you hope to achieve. It must be supported by recently sold properties close to the subject property and similar in size, style, functionality, and renovation quality. You also need to account for current market direction. Older comparable sales may not reflect today's demand, inventory, interest rates, or neighborhood-specific conditions. Your renovation plan must match the value you are projecting. Underestimating labor, permits, holding costs, utilities, insurance, financing, or resale costs can eliminate projected profit. Private lenders also look beyond the property. Can you execute the plan? Do you have experience? A qualified contractor? Documented bids? Reserves for overruns? A realistic timeline? And a backup exit strategy? A strong opportunity with a weak execution plan can still be high risk. A strong property, experienced borrower, realistic budget, and supported ARV create a more compelling financing request. As both a lender and a realtor, I can help you evaluate the acquisition price, comparable sales, ARV, renovation assumptions, financing structure, cash requirement, and exit strategy. My goal is not simply to help you obtain financing. It is to help you determine whether the project makes financial sense before you commit your time, capital, and resources. Do not let subject to appraisal end the conversation before you explore the right strategy. Drop your city and numbers in the comments and use the scheduling link to book a strategy call. I'm David Kowal, lender and realtor, dual expertise, double savings.